Hello friends, welcome to this channel, Center of Excellence Pharma 4. Objective of this channel is to discuss about various emerging technologies which are getting developed during last couple of years, like cloud, artificial intelligence, big data, industrial Internet of Things, robotics, blockchain, and many more which are getting evolved. And how these technologies can be adopted, can be implemented to solve the problems, solve the challenges in manufacturing industry, improve the digital supply chain, which can lead to Industry 4 standards. That's what is the objective. So we are discussing various topics into a video. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about how we can shift from transactional analysis to analytical analysis. Right? So let's look at it, the next slide. See, in present situation, most of the systems are silo driven. That means at every process, the data is compiled and stored into a particular system. And when it's talking to another process, the data needs to be transferred. And that transferring the data is a time consuming, and then that may create many mistakes actually. As we are moving from legacy systems to digital systems, that's a change actually. We have to really consider the technology change. We have to also consider the business processes which are going to get changed. And we have to see how this transformation will take place actually. So if you look at it at the center, I'm showing it the transactional system and analytical system. The big data, that means all the data which is really getting captured at each and every process, at each and every transaction is getting compiled into a big data. Now where this big data is getting stored, it's getting stored at a cloud. And how this data is analyzed is basically defined into analytics, the analytical process, the transformation and algorithm, which is going to drive the data for a better decision making with all relevant stakeholders. And this is what is the transformation. So the various processes where it can be helpful is agile business processes. Earlier, business processes were very rigid. Now, as the complexities are increasing into a supply chain, we have to have a flexibility into business processes. Predictive analytics is more important. In our earlier system, we only had based on historical data, only descriptive analysis was there. Now, new technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, and deep learning, machine learning are coming up, which can work onto prescriptive analytics and predictive analytics, which is what is going to have improved decisions and all. Machine to machine data sharing, sensors, industrial Internet of Things is coming up and all that. And finally, training to the new employee is a big challenge because we are changing the technology, we are changing the business processes, and we are now looking at it for a integrated digital supply chain. So these are the things that are there. Where it can help is into the products. The products are expecting track and trace. Customer wants a right product, right quality, right time at the right price. And they want to really trace it out that yes, this is a real genuine product. So tracking and tracing is becoming more important. not only in other industry, but especially into regulatory industry, it is more important. So which is what it is going to be helpful when we build up an analytical system using a big data. The sales is also requires the quotations and orders and pricing and all that. And customers are expecting the traceability about their visibility about the product and order movement, which is going to be helpful only by adoption of the big data and analytical system. Supply chains are becoming complex because we are connecting customer to supplier, along with manufacturing taking place at various locations across the geography. This supply chain gets linked up to the finance because we have to also monitor the financial performance, profitability, product wise, location wise, and that has to get linked up starting from customers order, procurement, manufacturing cost, everything and all. So finance is becoming very important. Manufacturing is getting more complex because we are talking about the smart manufacturing. We want to really connect the manufacturing machines in the real-time data, which can monitor the process parameters to improve the product quality, monitor the product quality. So this is getting more important. So the importance of following or adoption of Industry 4, Pharma 4, and to support to them it's a quality 4, logistic 4 with smart manufacturing. We have to plan a system, a process from shifting from transactional system to analytical system. So this is becoming very important. I just tried to give you an overview what is really going to happen in the next couple of years and how we should plan it out. In case if you have some doubts, queries, you want to discuss it out, our domain and technology teams are definitely ready to help you. Feel free to contact us. The details about our contact information is shown over here. We already have about 180 videos till date discussing about various emerging technologies and how to adopt them and the process for transformation. I'm quite sure these videos also will be helpful to you. Feel free to contact us. Do share your thought process. Thank you. Bye.